Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're preparing for your UK driving theory test, you already know that the hazard perception section can be one of the trickiest parts. But don't worry, this series is designed to make it simple and straightforward for you. Over the next few videos, I'll be going through all 36 official hazard perception clips with you. We'll watch them together, review what happens in each one, and I'll point out exactly where the hazard starts to develop. I'll also share my tips on how to react, when to click, and how to make sure you're scoring as many points as possible. We'll also talk about common mistakes to avoid, like clicking in a pattern or clicking too late, which can cost you points. Some learners are also afraid to click more than once in a clip, but that can actually make you miss the hazard completely. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly when and how you can click more than once without losing marks, so you never miss at a developing hazard. By learning the right approach, you'll feel more confident and relaxed when it comes to your real test. So if you want to pass your theory test on the first try, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. By the end of this series, you'll have practiced all 36 clips, understood exactly how this works, and picked up tips that will give you the best chance at a top score. Let's get started. In this session, we are going to work through the very first hazard perception clip. Now, as you may know, a hazard is anything developing on the road that requires you to take action, such as changing speed or direction. One common mistake learners make is waiting until they are 100% sure that something is a hazard before clicking. Instead, you should click whenever you notice something that could potentially develop into a hazard. The problem with waiting too long is that sometimes the situation you thought was the hazard isn't the actual one, and by then, you've lost marks. On the other hand, another mistake is clicking in a sequence or rhythm, almost like a pattern. This will result in scoring 0 for that clip because the system detects it as invalid. So what's the right approach? Let's take a look. As I see the first car coming under the bridge, I click. I know it may not be the actual hazard, but I don't want to take the chance, so I will click here. I do the same for the second and third cars, clicking at the right time to flag possible hazards. In each case, I click twice, just to make sure my response is registered in the scoring window. When reviewing the clip, we can see the first one wasn't a hazard, but I didn't lose marks because I only clicked when there was a chance of development. The same goes for the second one. For the third car, I clicked in the right area and scored full marks. Clicking twice in that zone ensured my response was recorded correctly. Even if I had clicked a bit earlier, my second click in the scoring area would still have earned me the points. Now let's take a look at the wrong approach. Some people just keep clicking continuously in a sequence without thinking. That's immediately flagged as invalid, and you'll lose points. To avoid this, remember, only click when you genuinely notice something that could turn into a developing hazard. So here's the safe and effective way. Click whenever you see a possible developing hazard. Avoid random or patterned clicking. A couple of well-timed clicks in the scoring area are far better than lots of uncertain ones. Follow this method, and you'll give yourself the best chance to score maximum marks in your hazard perception test. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you again, and take care.